Music is a medium that many people can relate to. Therefore, today, I'm going to teach all of you how to play a song on the guitar. Before I start, I just have to say that you're not all going to know how to play a song at the end of this. You need a lot more practice. But I'm going to teach you all how to play West Coast by Coconut Records on the guitar now. The first thing that you'll need to know are all the chords. So the first chord is the G major chord, and up there is the diagram of it. And what you would do is you'd take your pointer finger and put it on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. The frets, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all separated by the metal, if you guys can see that. And then you want your middle finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. That would sound like that. And then the next chord that you'll need to know is C major, which you put your pointer finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, your middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. And then the E minor chord, you put your pointer finger on the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and your middle finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. And then the A minor chord is your pointer finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and your middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And then, after you get your chords down, which you'll need to learn how to transition between them, and that you'll need a lot of practice with that. But the strumming pattern that I use, I'll just use one of the chords for it. That's the basic strumming pattern that I use. You just go down, down, and there's a pause after the first down, down. Yeah. And then you just continue that. And I mix it up a little bit just because I normally do. And then, once you have the strumming pattern and the chords down, you can put it all together into the song. So, for the verse, you start with the G chord, and then you transition to the C chord, and then you transition to the E minor chord. And then for the second line of the verse, you go G, C, G again, and then G, C, E minor. And then for, this is like the bridge, you go G, C, A minor, and then C. And then for the chorus, you would go E minor, C, A minor, and just repeat that 4 times in a row. Now that I've given you the basics, you just have to practice a bunch, because you can't fully learn a song in 4 to 6 minutes. You need to practice transitioning between the chords and practice the strumming pattern as well. And then eventually, once you get it down and it becomes second nature to you, you could learn how to sing to it as well.
All right, thank you, Sierra.